Okay, in this video I will tell you how to get from your first brand new channel from 0 subscribers to a first 1000 subscribers. So you just drop your first video, and what are the common mistakes that you will do? First, you would want to send this video to your mom, to your friends, right, to coworkers. You want to post it in your Instagram because you have like a couple thousand subscribers there. But the problem with that is that imagine, so you see this link in your stories. You click this link, your video opens in the stupid Instagram browser. That's absolutely not comfortable to watch, and you close it right away. That's it. Algorithm counts these 3 seconds of watch that your video is just boring shit. That's the problem. And the problem when you send it to your friends, are your friends a real target audience? No, absolutely no. So when you send it to your friends, post it in your Instagram, you just confuse the algorithm because it cannot understand who is the target. Is this video interesting or not? You just start to kill your channel from the start. So what would be the right strategy to do this? Look, YouTube is smart. It's already a grown-up boy. It's really smart, sophisticated algorithm. And it really will show you to the right people, to the people who is interested in that, in your content. You just need to take it time, you know? So when you start your YouTube channel, please be patient, okay? You need to post at least 10 videos and let the algorithm a chance just to show your videos to different group of people, understand what your content is about. Only in that case, you will set up all the things right from the beginning and you have a huge chances to grow your channel if your content is really interesting. There are only 2 things that makes the algorithm works is like how often people click your thumbnail and how long they watch your video. And again, when you start to repost it to absolutely wrong people that not your target, you just decrease your stats. And never, please never do some paid ads or fake subscribers, fake views. You kill your videos from the beginning, from scratch. So you could ask, how can I push my channel a little bit? What if I have decent amount of dollars and I just have no patience to wait and post these stupid videos so long? If you really want to do that, and there are some tools. So tool number 1 is to do collabs. Collabs with the people similar like you. For example, if I'm a chief, like I'm a restaurant chief and I'm shoot about how to cook the best sushi, I'll just go to channel to another chief, or we will create sushi podcast with these another influencers who already have the followers in place, right? In that case, it would be really organic and you will really reach your target audience. Second thing, buy the ads on their channel. And next big thing, after you know what to do and what not to do, is you really need to realize what your content is about. And again, a lot of people start to mess up with different concepts. Oh, I want to shoot about sailing, and also I want to shoot about hiking, and also I want to shoot about travel videos about food in different places. No, choose one single problem that you solve on your channel. When you just start your channel, first of all, there are tons of competitors. There are tons of established channels already with whom you compete with your 0 followers, right? So what do you do in that situation? You choose very narrow niche, like a single problem that you solve with your channel, and do different ways. 10 videos to solve one single problem. What's the problem about? For example, how can employee transition to become a business owner? And that's the whole topic of your channel. Each of your videos is only about this topic, but from different angles, like how to time manage when you're this person, how to, get your first leads, how to open a company, and it's all in case of perspective of your target audience. You see how it works? You have the same target audience and you solve their problems different ways. There is no chances you will not succeed in that way. And what's more, after you reach some certain amount of followers, at this point you may expand and you can broaden your niche, but not before. First win in the narrow niche and then make it wider, step by step, one step at a time. Maybe you heard YouTube automation, faceless channels. Did you hear about that? So I will tell you why this is a complete bullshit. A complete bullshit just for you to go somewhere and buy a online program. Look, they teach you that you need to go to Upwork, buy a script from Taiwanese pregnant woman, hire video editors in India, and for 15-20 videos you will put together a faceless YouTube video that will give you monetization. So let's think really about that. How would you value the quality of this video? Do you really follow those type of channels? Do you really follow stupid slideshows and stuff? YouTube already fighting against these channels. So YouTube start to ban repeatable content. What that means? That means that people who use the stock videos in their videos, like most of the video is stock footage, it will get 0 recommendations, 0 suggestions, 0 views, because algorithm see that it's just the same footage that was used on other channel. So it's not interested in promoting that. The same with other types of videos, faceless channels and stuff. And the second thing, people follow people. So all in all, if somebody told you that YouTube automation is a great thing, forget about that. The most valuable thing on YouTube is to build your personal brand. That's why you go out there. Not faceless video, not YouTube automation, not other boring bullshit, just your personal brand and your expertise. The next obstacle that you're gonna hit is the question, when I'm gonna be famous, I will post my first 10 videos, I will do the crowdfunding, I will get $1 million for my second season, whatever. No. Did you know the fact that to get into 1% of the most successful podcast, you just need to make more than 22 episodes? My statistics shows that mostly people quit YouTube after 7 to 10 videos. And the funny statistic that I noticed that YouTube only starts to give you organic reach after 7 to 12 videos. So, coincidence? I don't think so. So please, all the people that say to me, we want to see monthly results, we want to track the performance. So, guys, I just don't work with those kind of people. I'm like, you're gonna do YouTube and you're gonna do it like standard way, you should have 1 year commitment at least. Otherwise, I just don't want to waste my time and don't waste your time and money to do YouTube. If you go in there, please be patient and learn the rules. That's it. Okay, man, so I see you have a commitment as you're still watching this video. And you might think like, what would be my first video? Should I say something like, oh, my name is Sebastian. On this channel, I will post every Friday and I will show how I unpack my Ronin. No, man, I will tell you the real tactic. Just imagine, you have a 1 million follower channel already. Somebody give it to you, but only for one video. What video should it be? Good question, right? Again, you need clicks and you need engagement. Nobody needs to know like what's your name and when you're gonna post. Nobody wants to see your channel trailer or whatsoever. Oh, it's my first video. No, man, again, problem, solution. Think about your target audience, create an engaging video, solving their problem and giving the value. That's it. The most important thing that you're gonna miss is start your video with the thumbnail. First thing that you're gonna do is create the name and the thumbnail of your video. And you start from this. And you roll this whole thing from this. Think about that. Another fun fact, most of my wealthy clients started their YouTube channel from investing a fortune into expensive equipment. And of course, for 6 months at first, it just stayed there because, oh, I will start my YouTube channel, I will buy this and that and that and this camera and this angle. Yeah, that will give me value. No, man. Most of the people who invest a fortune in the equipment first thing, they will never launch a channel. Or if they launch, they already have no passion for it and they lose their money and time. I will give you this rule. I call this like layers of importance. So what's the most important here? You're watching this video. Do you care about the camera? That's the last layer of importance. Even more, the editing is the last layer of importance. You cannot edit a masterpiece from shitty footage. So, and you go from there up to boom, up to me sitting here. So the most important thing is your performance and the value that you give to the camera. Second, like how you look, how you dress, like your haircut, I don't know. Third thing is like lights around you and the location. So you just can use natural lights and sit in your office. That would be fine. That's not bad. Just avoid stupid shadows or creepy image. That's it. Think number 4. No, not even number 4. Before that also sound. Sound is very important, the most crucial part. And only on the 5th place or 6th place there is like lens and camera. So again, the most important, your target audience, what they need and how you will tell this. And again, layers of importance. Firstly, what stands in front of camera. Lastly, let's go to post-production. So if you guys still confused about what you're gonna shoot, what would be your concept and how you would achieve your goals, especially for you guys, we have a product which called like creative producing of your channel. You could work with me and my team, and we will help you to start your channel, as we did already with 17 other channels. So we hit all the YouTube's obstacles already for you. Each of this obstacle, each of this mistake could cost you $1,000, and we hit them all, I'm guaranteed. Just look at these shots that we did. We made channels for heavy industry, for sailing, podcasting, for real estate, for interior design, for a lot of industries. So you're not a unique case for us. We will get your channel to 1,000, 10,000, and then 100,000 like this, just using our system and consistency. There is a link in the description, and let's pass to the next one. Almost final misconception is how often do you need to post? And I really face situation when people really get obsessed about that they need to post weekly, and the whole team getting really stressed out and burned out just to post weekly. Guys, posting weekly is okay. I mean, you should post regularly, because if you will not, the audience will just forget your face. But if it all led to poor quality of video or led to the fact that you are getting burnout after 10 episodes, that's not a good strategy. Okay, you will just forget about your channel after a couple episodes if you be really obsessed with that. The only thing you should be obsessed is the quality of your video. If your format requires time to create, post monthly, post once per 2 months. It doesn't really matter if you will just keep your pace. The most important, again, clicks and engagement. So let's finally speak one final time, what is CTR and what is engagement and why that's really crucial. So the YouTube algorithm, he doesn't really want to promote your videos. He wants to keep the people on the platform because it brings money. People watch ads, people click all these links. YouTube doesn't want to promote your videos. YouTube wants to keep people on the platform. To keep them on the platform, he needs to make sure that people click the thumbnails and people watch the videos. The longer they stay on the platform, the better for YouTube. So if your preview is not clickable, people do not click on your thumbnail, YouTube will just not show it in recommended videos because it doesn't make sense for him. And if people quit your video after 2 minutes, again, why you just decrease the value of the platform with your bad content, right? But if people watch your one video, then go to your channel, watch second video, send it to your friends. Congratulations, that's super easy for you to boost your whole channel. And don't get confused. Before, like 5 years ago, 7 years ago, it was much easier to start your channel. Now, the competition is tough. So if you're doing videos quality lower than this, it would be harder, but that's not the end of the world.